May 2025. The future isn't coming. It's already here, and it's under attack. You're not just online anymore. You're living in a digital space, and that space is turning into the next global battleground. It's not just virtual reality, it's virtual power. Take a moment, look at your phone, your laptop, the apps that structure your workday, your conversations, your creativity. Now imagine those same tools becoming weapons. Imagine the place where you work, play, learn, turning into contested territory. This isn't about VR concerts or 3D shopping. This is about sovereignty. This is about who owns the code behind your world. The metaverse isn't a passing trend. It's a new layer of global infrastructure. In 2024, it was already a $146.6 billion market. By 2030, that number's projected to reach over $1.1 trillion. This explosion isn't just about profits, it's about power. Tech giants like Meta, Tencent, Microsoft, and Alibaba are in a digital land rush. But behind them, governments, watching, planning, preparing. Because when you control the virtual, you influence the physical. Digital borders are real, and they're closing. The dream of a single, seamless, global metaverse? It's dying. Instead, a new digital Iron Curtain is forming. Instead of one world, we're watching the birth of many walled gardens. Let's break it down. China. Their metaverse isn't built on freedom, it's built on control. With a $25 billion state-led push, they're creating a hyper-regulated VR society, inspired by the Great Firewall. If you're a gamer, a creator, or a business owner, expect censorship, expect surveillance, expect tight leashes. European Union, their Web 4.0 initiative is all about human-centric, privacy-first design. Great intentions, but heavy regulation. Expect strict rules, slower innovation, and fragmented user experiences. Think GDPR, but in VR United States, historically hands-off. But that's changing. Antitrust debates, data privacy wars, and rising political pressure mean Washington may soon lay down the law. Meanwhile, American tech companies continue to race ahead, shaping the infrastructure before policy catches up. If you're a creator, your art might be censored in one world and celebrated in another. If you're a business, your virtual storefront might need 10 different compliance plans. The internet was supposed to be borderless. The metaverse might be anything but. Virtual wars are already being fought. The metaverse isn't just a playground, it's a battlefield. Cyber warfare, espionage, disinformation, psychological manipulation, all amplified, all evolving. One cyber warfare 2.0, VR and AR increase our attack surface. Hackers can now target your avatar, your assets, your identity. Imagine a state-sponsored attack where your voice and likeness are hijacked to scam your friends. Now add AI and deepfakes to that equation. The World Economic Forum's 2025 report warns of biometric data theft, emotional manipulation, and network collapses, all triggered inside immersive environments. 2. Cognitive warfare. In virtual spaces, deepfakes don't just fool, they immerse. Imagine a lifelike general giving false orders in a simulation, or a synthetic president declaring war. These aren't conspiracy theories. NATO has already flagged the metaverse as a vector for psychological operations. 3. Military simulations, Microsoft's AR goggles for the US Army, the UK's Project CHIRON for virtual defense training. This is a virtual arms race, and the prize isn't just better simulations, it's dominance in a new war domain. The economic battlefield, currency, commerce, control. Let's talk money. The metaverse is giving birth to entirely new economies, and governments are struggling to catch up. From crypto to NFTs, from virtual goods to blockchain-based contracts, financial activity in the metaverse is booming, but it's also volatile, hard to trace, and hard to tax. That's why governments are pushing for control through regulation and through money. Enter CBDCs, central bank digital currencies. China's digital yuan is already being explored for integration into state-approved metaverse platforms. Other nations are close behind. Why? Because if you control the money flow, you control the economy. And if you control the economy, you control behavior. Meanwhile, brands like Gucci, Nike, and Walmart are building virtual stores. The market for virtual goods is expected to reach $190 billion by the end of 2025. But if each national metaverse has different rules, imagine buying a virtual car in one world, only to find it banned in another. Imagine trying to sell your digital art, only to have it flagged for copyright under new jurisdictional laws. It's a logistical nightmare, and it's already happening. What it means for you: digital identity, rights and risks. Narrator: this isn't just a high-level tech debate. It's about your freedom, your identity, and your future. Will your digital self have the same rights as your physical one? Because your virtual avatar, your expression, your creations, your purchases, is already a form of identity. And in a fragmented metaverse, you might be blocked, censored, or surveilled without even knowing it. Your speech could be policed, your income taxed by where your avatar is located, not your body. Your emotions, captured by VR headsets, could be sold to third parties or nation-states. We're even seeing nations like Palau offering digital residency via NFTs, blurring the lines between citizenship and data sovereignty. This isn't fiction. The metaverse is not just entertainment, it's a new layer of governance, and we're building it in real time, with almost no oversight. The metaverse economy is no longer coming. It's here, and the stakes are existential. Will we create a connected world where digital freedom thrives, or a patchwork of national fiefdoms, surveilled, censored, and controlled? It's a geopolitical reckoning that's redefining what it means to be free, to create, and to exist online. You can't afford to tune this out, because soon the borders you'll worry about won't be physical. They'll be code. What do you think the future of the metaverse should look like? Drop your boldest prediction in the comments. And if this video opened your eyes, don't just subscribe for more deep dives. The next video, we're exposing the secret deals governments are making with metaverse giants right now. Control in the digital world is the ultimate currency. Stay aware, stay informed, stay ahead.